And here you can see I added some support. I'm going to have a toilet frame here so I can attach it. It's solid, so I know that it's going to be strong. And the construction boards are here. So they are actually made specifically to the wet rooms. So they are covered with waterproof material, and actually you can see in between it's just foam, and you can call it reinforced foam actually, and it's super light, so it's good to install them by yourself. So I installed the first construction board, as you can see. And this is probably going to be the height of the ceiling, but later I will add one extra piece there. I'm using these washers. I will show you in a minute. And I'm using here regular like drywall screw for metal framing. And yeah, what else? I left some gap in between the floor and this construction board. Later I will fill it with special cork or flexible stuff, which actually comes from manufacturer. So when I'm going to install the next board, I will add this stuff here in between the two boards, and later I will cover all these screw heads with this flexible stuff. So yeah, this is like really good material to use. It's lightweight and it's easy to cut, and it's waterproof. And this white stuff I applied around these pipes as well. And in here, in this shower corner, later I will add hydro isolation as well on top of it. So just to have this extra insurance in this old wooden house. As you can see here, this mass is all around the tubes. And these outside corners I sealed off because there is no black stuff when you cut it. So to waterproof it, I added in here as well, and yeah, around these openings. And around the door as well.